Hello everyone, welcome to another very interesting interior design video. In this video, I will show you how to design your interior with AI in 2024 and beyond pretty much. Now this is house interior with AI. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to visit Remodeled AI. Now there are a couple of different tools similar to Remodeled AI, which is Interior AI as well right here where you can go and where you can redesign your interior. However, we definitely like more Remodeled AI because it's free as well. So you can go and click generate your room here. And as you can see, the first thing that we have right here is we can drag and drop an image that we already have. So let's say you have a kitchen, at least I have a kitchen. So I will go here and I will go to my desktop and I will just go and add a kitchen. As you can see, this is my kitchen and I want to go and I want to remodel this particular kitchen. Now, design theme, I can click and select where I want a rustic, industrial, bohemian, or contemporary. Let's say I want something like minimalist. I can click that right here and then I'll click away here. And I can also choose materials. Again, this is for the pro, but you can choose materials such as leather, bamboo, quartz stone, suede fabrics and stuff like that. You can also choose a color palette if you have maybe a Nordic Lights, which is this color palette, Crisp Winter, which is this color palette, and you have a bunch of different color palettes. Room, you have living room, or for example, this will be kitchen, and then privacy, public or private, whatever you want to do. We can click generate. We have 3 free image generations for this particular image. So let's click generate. As you can see, this will keep generating our images here. And for those of you that want to visit this, as you can see, you can go to Remodeled AI. By the way, this is very, very fun because they actually give you a fun facts about humans and stuff like that while you're waiting for your images to be generated. Okay, now that we waited, as you can see, this is what we get. So this is the original kitchen and this is the generated design of kitchen with minimalist theme. So it looks really good. It actually looks really good. Surprisingly, it looks very, very amazing. So let's go and let's try another one, which is a more industrial, which we can go here and let's just click on industrial. Let's just make it like this. And what we can do is we can hit generate as well. Let's see what it will do right now with industrial. So yeah, it's a very good AI interior design tool. Obviously, let's just go and let's see what will happen. Oh, this is very industrial. So as you can see, it looks very industrial, and this is what we come up with. So yeah, this is basically what Remodeled AI can do for you. It's a very interesting AI tool. Obviously, it's free up to I think 3 images. Yes, if you want to upgrade to Pro, you will need to go to the $14 a month, which is standard. If you want Hobby, which is 25 renders, this is $9 a month. Pretty good price, I would say. So if you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below what you think about this tool, and we'll see you in the next AI coverage and tool.